Hey home buyers, I am here in the Los Angeles 90047 zip code. It's really adjacent to like the Tesla factory as well as the new farm that they're building, and they have some new homes that are being built here. They're about 1,800 square feet. They're a bargain for the price that you're getting for them. This area is going to be super gentrified, and I just wanted to come take a look. They have two models available. We're going to check out one of them, so follow me. I mean, this is a great option for a condo alternative. Condos in the area cost about the same as these, and these are single-family detached homes. They have small, slab backyards, but it's good enough for, a small gathering and entertainment. So we've got the kitchen. There's a powder room, little closet, and you come in from the garage. The room is nice and spacious, and it looks to me that all the rooms are upstairs. So let's go take a look. There's a nice, beautiful landing. You can, I can imagine seeing a desk here to do office work, or the way they have it staged as a reading room. Two spare bedrooms, pretty ample size. Could actually fit a king-size bed. In here, it's featuring a queen. It's cute. They're pretty large. Look at the walk-in. Easily, you can have a dual vanity here if you needed to. Laundry room. Wow, look at this laundry room. This is excellent. And then a master bedroom. So we're gonna take a look at the second unit. It's a bigger unit. It's 4 bedrooms instead of 3 bedrooms, and it's 1,800 square feet. A little over 1,800, 1,807 to be exact. So let's go take a look.